Let us have a look at the given problem. Here, we are told to find out the values of a and b by using the following equation. So let us write down what is given in the question first. We have 1 over a plus 1 over b is equal to 1 over 13. Now, let us take the LCM and cross multiply, and we get b plus a over ab is equal to 1 over 13. Now, cross multiplying it, we will have 13 times a plus b is equal to ab. Now, what we'll do is take 13a plus b to the right. Then we get ab minus 13 times a minus 13 times of b is equal to 0. Now, this equation would be easier to solve if we found out a way to factorize it. That is, to convert it into the form something multiplied by something. And that would need an additional term here. Now, the question arises, what term should be added into this equation? Let's see. From the first two terms, if I take a common, then we have the remaining part as b minus 13. And if you want b minus 13 here too, let's say I have b minus 13, then what is needed to be added here? Let's see. So there was 13b here. In order to make it 13, I must have a 13 outside and a minus sign here. That would mean that I am adding here 13 times 13. That means 169 to have b minus 13 common in both the terms. And that would mean I should also add 169 onto the other side. So we have this equation. Now, let me take b minus 13 common, which gives us a minus 13 as the remaining part. And this is equal to 169. Now what we have to do is convert this 169 into product form. That is the possible set of integers whose product give 169. So 13 times 13 is the first possible pair. The other one is 1 times 169. And finally we have 169 times 1. So let us consider all of these cases to find out the values of a and b. Considering the first case, we have b minus 13 is equal to 13 and a minus 13 is also equal to 13. This gives us b is equal to 26 and a is also equal to 26. So this is the first set of solution for a and b. Considering the second case where we have b minus 13 equal to 1 and a minus 13 is equal to 169, we would have b is equal to 14 and a is equal to 182. This is the second set of the solution. Now, if we consider the third case has b minus 13 and that should be equal to 169 and a minus 13 is equal to 1. That will give us b is equal to 182 and a as 14. So the possible set of values for a and b are 26, 26 and 14, 182 or 182, 14. And that is the solution to the given problem.